Good day, everyone. Learn how to turn on Google Translate in Google Chrome. It will be a very handy feature because if you are visiting a website which is not in your preferred language, it will automatically convert to your preferred language if you turn on the Google Translate. So here you just need to do a single click at the top right corner and then go to settings. And once the setting is opened, at the left hand side, we have many options and we need to click on this language. So here you will see many options and we need to go to the bottom right there and you will find use Google Translate. When on, Google Translate will offer to translate sites into your preferred language. It can also automatically translate sites. So you can turn it on and then you can mention translate into this language. So you can also do that. And do let me know if you find this tutorial helpful. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.